Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session, we will be studying the second letter of Arabic alphabet, and that is called Ba. Its sound is B. Its articulation points. Its articulation point is the lips. This one, okay. Shafatan, two lips. That's its articulation point. Okay. Is it a light or heavy? It is a light letter. Okay. For example, when we are pronouncing it, then our mouth, our lips remain flat. For example, ba, when you have fatha or kasra on it, then it's pronounced as ba. So it's the mouth remains flat. Is it a connector or non-connector? It is a connector. By that I mean that when you see its connecting form, for example, in the here, if it's unconnected or separate, then it's written like this. But when it comes in the beginning of a word, then you can see you can connect things, other letters after it. And if it comes in the middle, then you can connect connect other letters before or after it. And if it comes at the end, then you can connect that as well. So if you see with connecting letters, you can connect from both sides when it comes in the middle of a word. Okay. How to write it? Let me read it out quickly and then we do the practical bit. So it is written with a single stroke, okay, and it begins from the right with a slight curve. It begins from the right with a slight curve, downward horizontal stroke, so like this, okay, followed by a vertical, that's the vertical part, vertical extension and ending and an upward slightly curved horizontal stroke giving, okay, the slightly curved horizontal stroke giving canoe-like shape. It has one dot underneath and it rests on the line. So let me do practically now. Okay, let me do practically. That's okay. If it's written like this, so you start from here like this. That's it. That's if it's written on its own. If it's written in the beginning, it is written like this. Remember, it rests on the line. Okay, the imaginary line we explained in the previous session. So if it's in the beginning, we write it like this. Okay. This means that we can connect other letters with it. If you connect it, if you write it in the middle, it looks like this. Okay, by here. And if it is at the end, we write it like this. Okay, so if we see another one, we actually can connect these ones together. For example, if you connect these two and these two parts, so now you can see the back can be written in the beginning, can be written in the middle, and at the end. So you can see this example, and that's why it's called connecting letter, because it can be written from both sides with other letters. Okay. English equivalent, it's is the same as we use B in English. So as English equivalent for ba in English is B. Okay. For transliteration purposes, we use a consonant. That's B sound for it. Okay. It is a consonant, and we use the consonant in English B for it to represent it in transliteration. That's the end of this session, and we will see you in next session, inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.